Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Hope you all are doing well. So let's get started our today's session of phonics. We are learning today letter T. We are learning today letter T and its sound is T, 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 T. Let's learn the formation of letter T. Here we have 4 lines. The first line is the skyline. I'm going to start with the skyline and make a standing line. Pick up your pencil and then make a sleeping line on the top. This is T. Which letter? T. And let's learn how to write T. Standing line on first 3 lines and a curve upside. And then make a sleeping line on the middle line. It's T. T says T. T says T. Now practice some vocabulary words that starts with T. Here, tomato. T, tomato. And this is teacher. T, teacher. Here, it's a tent. Tent starts with T. T, tent. Tree. T, tree. T, tree. And this is tiger. T, tiger. T, tiger. And this is telephone. Telephone. T, telephone. Here it's top. T, top. And this is table. T, table. Here it's everybody's favorite teddy. T, teddy. And this is a sea animal and this is turtle. T, turtle. Here you can see it's a truck. T, truck. T, truck. And this is train. T, train. T, train. So we have learned letter T. T says T. T says T. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you.